What's up, guys? I want to show you guys a couple things, but it's my local woods, like literally 5 minutes down the road from where I stay, and I just wanted to check them out. There's all these rules and regulations. You can't have fires, there's no camping, there's no hunting, there's no this, there's no that. So basically, it's a walk park, and it's a nature reserve, and it's owned by a private foundation. But anyway, I want to show you guys a couple things. I'm going to slip in down this trail and see what we can see, and I'll be right back with you. Just want you guys to check this out real quick. So what you're missing, sitting at home on the couch. It's a cool little creek here, but I would be suspect to any of this. This is the boardwalk. Here's the other side of the creek. I would be suspect to eat anything out of here, guys. The landfill runs for a handful of miles, a little up the Reedy River, and the Reedy River is connected to this. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'll be right back. Here's another creek. It goes all the way down there, but this water is suspect, guys. Let's see if I can zoom in. You can see the slick on top of the water. It's kind of gross. The mosquitoes out here are ridiculous. But anyway, this is basically all swampland. I just heard something squeak, hit the water, and disappear over here, so I don't know what that was. I don't know if you can see him. Little squirrel. He was just about 5.5 feet from me and didn't care. This poor guy almost got stepped on by me. I wasn't paying attention. He's just chilling, walking along the foot trail. I don't know if you could see that little crawdad there. I don't know if you could see it, the reflection. But he's in there. He's chilling. I'm gonna check the other side in a minute. I can't see because of the glare. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a pair of tracks right there. The ground's all beaten down right there, up into the log. And there's termites under the log. But anyway, come back this way. These are fresh tracks. And they're deep. And there's some sort of weird mushroom there. But there's those tracks. And then here's some not so fresh tracks. And there's the trail. So it just goes to show you guys, animals will take the path of least resistance. I guarantee you, it went that way. And not that way, because that's all really thick compared to over here. Even in nature, you find survival tools that could be used for a whole host of things. It's an old Mylar birthday balloon, helium balloon. Use your imagination in a survival situation. That's like gold right there. You see the sludge, guys? I don't know if you can see it. It's all sludge. Looks like an oil slick. But the rest of it's pretty. Some cattails out there. It's pretty much just a big giant swamp. I guess this piece of property is pretty big too, and it's all pretty much swampland. I guess that's why they want you sticking to the boardwalks. And there's a sign out front that says there's low-level contaminants in the soil. But the park is safe for recreational use. But you have to abide by all these rules. Basically, they're telling you not to drink the water and not to wade in it. You're not allowed to wade in any of the water, and you have to stay on all foot trails. Anyway, I'll be right back with you. So I want you to see this. This first line says, be aware that some areas of this unique park are restricted due to presence of low levels of contaminants in lake sediment. Conditions are safe for use as a park, but we require park patrons to follow our safety rules. And then it goes on to tell you all the other rules. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit later. This is the perfect reason why you should invest in an advanced water filter that removes chemicals, heavy metals, trace amounts of prescription drugs, and all that good stuff. I'll show you. You'll see. That's kind of funny. People aren't allowed in the water, and it's got low-level sediment, but it's a wildlife sanctuary. Kind of makes you wonder. These are all along the trail. They're dotted like. There's one down there. There's this one. There's another one right there. They're all just sewer caps out in the middle of nature. Here's another good reason to get out of here. That thing is freaking huge.